Hey guys, so this is a typical night when I cannot go to sleep. So this is what real life looks like when it's nighttime and you're constantly finding things to do, things to pare down, things to let go, things to get rid of, minimizing your spaces. And some of you probably struggle with a little anxiety. So in this part of the video, I'm just going to be doing some things in my house, and I just turned on the camera to share them with you. So hopefully you guys have some coffee, some water, some tea, because this is going to be kind of it might be a little bit long. And then to some, it might not be nothing. Some of you are hip to it. Some of you already know what it is, and you don't mind. So partake in my minimalism journey. Y'all know I am really a minimalist. Like, I am really, minimalism is getting really real, okay? So I decided to take that plant off that plant stand and put it on the floor, because that's where it initially was in the beginning. And I just went on and end up recycling the base to it. And now I'm taking my pillow that was on my bed. It actually is the wrong size. It doesn't meet up with the other one. So I said, well, wait a minute. I can take the one that's in the living room on the couch, which is the exact same size. So now all the gray one and the one I'm putting in there that was in the bedroom, those are the same size. And the one I'm taking now to put it in the bedroom is actually the same size. So I also took the other canvas out of the bedroom, because why? I already have one canvas in the bedroom. So my whole idea is put one canvas, one plant in each room. And if by chance, I might have to put two plants in one room. I'm not sure yet, because I don't have many plants like I used to, but yeah. And then I'm going to take that actual stand right there and do something else with it, because it doesn't make sense to have two bowls, right, y'all? Y'all should have known this was going to come. Y'all should have known this was coming. It didn't make sense to have both of those green bowl things in two spaces. In the same space. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to take my perfumes, put them on the dresser. It looks nice too on the dresser like that. So, and then eventually I'm going to take my diffuser and put it back on my nightstand. So here I'm just rearranging my mirror. I think it looks better right here. For a long time I have been looking at that space to put the actual mirror. So let me know what y'all think. I think it looks good. So let's go ahead on, y'all, and swap this picture into this room. And I actually trying to think back, that if did I have that picture in there before? I probably had it in that space before, but it probably was another actual piece of artwork done on it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew and get this shelf off the wall, because I don't want it, y'all. The more shelves you have, I'm learning the more things you have to put on them. And if you guys know, I have two shelves above my washing area over the washing machine. And I prefer those wood kind that's real thick and bold looking. I prefer those better. So if I ever find one over time, I don't know. But then it won't go in here. I'm going to keep it like it is. I'm so mad, y'all, because when I got this off the wall, it is tearing off the paint. Look at that. So we're going to try to fix that. All right. It is time to wind down. It's dinner time, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and eat my dinner, and I will see you guys on another day in this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Give me your feedback. What do you guys think what I did with everything? So yeah, guys, it's time to chow down. So I got some broccoli. What else do I have? Broccoli, onions, and rice, jasmine rice, with a little bit of orange sauce. That's my dinner for tonight. And trust me, y'all already know. Woo, hey y'all, it's a brand new day. Happy Monday, August the 26th. Keep moving, keep moving. So I'm trying to eliminate some things So I got this, I'm trying to empty in there a little bit at a time so I can get rid of this bottle. Y'all, it gets deep for me. Minimalism gets deep for me. So, I'm trying to think which bath bomb I'm going to use today. I think I got one left. So this y'all self-care right here for me. Hope everybody is well, y'all. I've been moving and running around all day. I done cut the grass and everything. So I think I'm gonna use, what's this one? Sunset Light. I'm gonna use this one, Rose Essential. So there we go. There it goes. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. So I got that. And then I'll be using this to wash my body. Y'all remember me hauling that from Dollar Tree. Dollar. Guys, it's real. It's getting really, really real around here. The minimalism. I'm already minimal, but I got to get more minimal. Okay? I have to. It's my life. So I'm going to put that lady, I'm going to show y'all. This here. This is gonna go. I'm gonna get rid of this, and I think that's gonna look nice in there. What y'all think? I think that's gonna be super. Here's the office. Let me change the date on here. So this is what the office looking like. I did fill in some of the parts. I just wanted one picture, one plant in every room. So I think I'm gonna end up bringing my ZZ in here. I'm not 100% sure if right now. I have something I'm gonna show y'all, and I probably on another day we're gonna do a chat with me series about dating, who I was talking to, dating, and I don't know what else. Oh, and then this here, I'm gonna take this off of this wall, and I'm gonna put it when you come in. I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it like right here on this wall. I'm gonna probably cover up that, and then I got that here. Here are my let go. So this is going with me today. That cup is finally going, this picture is going, and this I'm gonna keep. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Let me show y'all the video. So this is how, hey y'all, this is me. Yeah, this is how everything is looking. That one picture, like I said, one plant, and my pillows. And yeah, I'll see you guys on another day. Good morning, guys. It's early. I am just dropping off my truck to get oil change. What else? Tire rotation and all my fluids topped off. How do I turn this on? Oh, there we go. Turn on the TV. I was like, what is this noise moving on? Oh my God, that's funny. Oh gosh, another day. Some more money spent. Never a dull moment, but it's a beautiful day, y'all. A beautiful day. Always remember to love yourself, so that you may love others, so this world will be a much better place. Anything is possible as long as you get up every day. It's always possible. Y'all, everything is fine. She's fine. But life be lifing. So this is my second oil change, and this is my first tire rotation. So all that stuff is good. They topped off all my fluids, but he said I had like a little problem with something. So I'm just gonna wait. I do have a warranty, so that, and I said too, when he told me that, I was like, Sonia, don't even get upset. It's just a thing. You take care of it when you can. He said it's not an emergency like right now, but do get it checked out, get it fixed or whatever. But yeah, guys, sometimes life be lifing, and just let life. Don't worry about it, because the more you worry, it's just live, okay? Today is the day that the Lord has made. If the Lord provided you a way of escape, a way to get through this life, a way to have peace, stability, movement of your joints, get out and enjoy what he put out here. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. So, y'all know what I'm doing? Hope you would all do the same. let's continue. All right, guys, look at Big Bertha. That's the other Big Bertha right there. So anyway, let's get into the video. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, today is a good day. Did I tell y'all today was Monday, August the 27th? This is the same day I went to with the truck stuff. Okay, anyway, we're going to talk about some dating stuff along with me going Friday with my daughter. Well, actually, she didn't get up, but I ended up going Friday morning, last Friday, which would have been maybe the 20, if today is Monday the 27th, it means it was the 24th, I think, Friday. Well, anyway, you guys, first I'll show you this. I picked up this really pretty jewel tone coffee mug. Very, very, very nice. Very heavy. I don't even think it's just a coffee mug. I actually think this is a drinking cup, okay? It had an initial here that was a metal initial. I took it off because it didn't, I can't remember the initial, but it wasn't mine. It wasn't for me, so I didn't get it. But I took it off, but I did get this. This is so nice. So I'm going to add this with my regular cups because it's just so nice. And like I said, I can drink cold coffee out of it. Not too sure about the hot coffee, but I know for sure the cold coffee. So the next thing I got, y'all, look at this. This is by Simple Sparkle. It says it is a modern drink table. You guys, look. I found the box and it only had the actual top and the bottom. So I told my daughter, I said, you know what, keep looking for whatever you're gonna look for and we'll stay in here a little bit longer. And I guarantee you I'll find the sticks. Guys, I kept walking, end up finding the sticks to the drink table. It was 2 of them and I found them. So let's get this open. And like I said, guys, minimalism is the key to life. It's the key to my life. So I don't know what y'all waiting on, but y'all need to clean your house out, clear it out. I can't have clear thoughts if I don't clean out my house. I just don't. And I've kind of been like that for a long time. So I think as you grow in minimalism, it gets worse. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the story, y'all. Okay. I had one person that I met in person for a date. 2 times we went on a date. We went out to eat twice. We were supposed to meet up one time at a park. We did not do that because at this time I got annoyed. I met this person at Habitat for Humanity. He walked up to me. He was a gentleman. He was a construction worker. Really nice. I don't really care about somebody's job as long as you work. I'm not like that. You know what I mean? So long story short, it didn't work because he wasn't authentic in what, as time went on, he wasn't authentic in what he was sharing with me. Stuff wasn't adding up right. So the first initial date was at a restaurant. That was okay because you know you got to make a first impressions, supposed to be lasting impressions, but I didn't like it. So after a while, just So long story short, we would do a talk on the phone. He was getting very annoying because he would call all the time, a lot early in the morning and things like that. But the thing is that he actually, I'm gonna let y'all see it. He actually had just got out of a relationship and he kept telling me about the lady. Y'all, he was telling me stuff like she found out that she had breast cancer and he was trying to find her a place to stay and that all this other stuff. So I was trying to explain to him, this is a time when somebody needs you, and then why would you be trying to look for a relationship now? Why would you be outsourcing a relationship now when you're basically still in a relationship? You're just trying to get out of it. This is a time the person might need you. So he would just ask me questions, talk to me and ask me what kind of things he should do, and I would give him really good advice. And then come to find out, he ended up being a member of the church that I used to go to. I'm still a member there, but I don't go anymore. So I started telling him to seek the pastor, talk to the pastor, see what he has to say. Y'all know what he told me? He told me I don't want to do that because I already know what he's going to tell me, and I don't really want to hear that. I was like, y'all already know that was a red flag. That was a red flag. Y'all, look at this. Look at this table. This is so nice. Look at that. Do y'all see this? Can y'all see this? And it actually has a part right here where you can put a phone in it. I put a clip in where you place the phone at. This is a really nice drink table. Let me know in the comments. I want to spray paint this black, but it's Acacia wood. If you guys can see, it's that really nice Acacia wood, and I really don't want to do that. So let me know in the comments what you guys think, okay? So this is so nice. And guys, like I said, this was only $1. So the last relationship I didn't get a chance to meet this person, but we actually met from YouTube back in April. And I'm gonna say it lasted for a couple of months, you know, on the phone things and everything was cool in the beginning. But I actually think this person was supposed to be they claim they're really in Christ, but sometimes you don't know. But if you keep constantly hearing stuff, I was hearing things like, you know, women with maxi dresses, you know, things like that. And I was like, you keep hearing things over and over again, you start putting 2 and 2 together. So maybe you really don't have no control. And then we were actually supposed to meet up out of state, and it was getting close to time, and they forgot that we were supposed to do that. And it just kind of threw me off. But the conversations was good. I really did like him. The things that he perceived to, you know, talk about and things like that. So yeah, guys, so that's my dating experience. I would advise anybody who's coming out of a marriage, going through a divorce, give yourself some time, because it can be a little bit challenging. I actually just want the right person for me. I don't want to have to fill a void or put on anything. I just want it to be the right person for me. But guys, with that being said, I'm going to end out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you want to hear any more of anything else of the dating stories or whatnot, or anything other than decorating, minimalism, food, or whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Always remember to what? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.